Hey, Cappuccino Cup, what are you doing?
Nothing, why?
I'm bored.
Guess what? Me too!
Well, okay.
Guys, please stop fighting.
No.
Guys, how about that storm chase?
But how? There are no storms. Matter of fact, there is no way.
Guys, just stop. Get in the van. Alright, guys, it's elimination time. We have 27 votes. That is a lot of votes. Thank you all for voting. Roblox, you have the most amount of votes, which means you're safe. But how much votes did I get? Oh, 16 votes. Red Ball, you have the second most votes, which means you're safe. But before you ask, you have 5 votes. Block in App Store. One of you guys are going to be eliminated. And I'm not going to even say the votes. I'm going to say who's eliminated. App Store, you're eliminated. Bye-bye. But wait, can I redeem myself? Absolutely not. Bye-bye.
Imagine, dude.
Guys, since I'm about to meet up with B, deciding what challenge is next, you guys get to do whatever you want. And I mean whatever you want. So, have fun. Okay, B, what's the next challenge? Well, I don't know.
Yeah. I'm just living. Yeah, and I kind of don't like you, Green Book.
Imagine being small.
Ow, he's harassing me.
Are you sick because you have a virus? Ooh, bird! I'm gonna kick you. Bye-bye. Anyways, I'm leaving. Stop watching garbage tornado content.
Dude, I said nothing to you.
Imagine watching objects.
What tayo? So tayo. Kaya mo yani.
I forgot that you speak Japanese. Oh well, I guess that's how life goes. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go do something.
Wow, this has been a while since I've done this.
Also,
About
your
10 for a
Japanese is
year.
horrible.
I just gotta say that.
Don't
to catch up with the last episode,
You know what? Fine,
Darren
I'm
has been
leaving.
warning me in advance,
Hi,
and now the rest of you
Wait,
guys are
let me get it.
eager to determine who's a surprise
Oh my
or not.
gosh, baseball cap.
The
Are you
Darren has
okay?
those right over
Baby,
here,
I don't really
waiting
know.
for his turn to see
We need to
like
ask someone for
what
help.
you
Come,
guys
come,
have progressed in.
Come on.
So now
Baseball
you
cap.
guys can
Let's go.
see who wins
Sorry,
the
wala ko na
prize.
si.
Look,
I've never saw these cars before. They look like tanks. Can you tell me what they are? That is Dominator 3. What is a Dominator? Alrighty, we're deployed. Here comes the tornado! Wait, don't forget about me. Bean Burrito. You're not Bean Burrito, you're Reed Timmer. Guess what? I don't care. Why was that so quick? W, wake up! Yes, me. Oh, what the hell? Do we have a bunker? Absolutely not. So I think we are just dead. Here it comes! Oh yeah. What? Yeah, we have a super strong tornado right now. Mr. Econombuddy, you're on? I guess we don't have Mr. Econombuddy. Cut the camera. Cut the camera!
I'll stop you with my saxophone.
What the hell are we?
I don't know, motherfucker.
Yeah, I think we're inside of a tornado right now.
You think? It's not this guy.
whoa.
What is this little creature?
You don't know me.
According to all known laws of violation, a leash must be
great
p.m.
idea,
Central
B.
Daylight Time for Central
hold on.
Kiowa County. A tornado emergency
A
for
tornado
Greensburg
emergency?
at 9:37 p.m.
I have to
Central
warn our
Daylight Time.
contestants.
National
I'll be
Weather
right
Service
back.
media around.
Everyone, take shelter. Instant. Why? Well, great idea, baseball bat, to ask a question. It's because look over there. Let's take shelter. Right. No.
What's another commotion about? What the hell? How big is that tornado?
I have no idea.
Where?
I built that since we started the season.
Let's get into it.
Here it comes. Oh my god. Guys, that was crazy. Baseball team, you're up for elimination.